Final one, I got another LG TV. This is a Polk soundbar. And then if we come in here, this is the bathroom. Right, there we go in the closet. Oh man, I think we've all seen that before. Ugh, that is nasty. I think they got like an IR running through the wall. But right there we got an AT&T box, and then we also got a Samsung box. Got a nice little nest of wires. Alright, I'm gonna clean all this stuff up real quick. Alright folks. Alright, there we go. Cleaned up a little bit better. I did not do this job originally. Just saying. Alright, and what time is it? Let's see, what time is it? 2:09. Alright, last one to program. I got it all running. Watch TV. Polk soundbar. As well as the television. There we go. Volume up. Mute. Yeah, we'll wait. Mute. Channel up. Channel down. ESPN. We're good to go. Activities. Watch Blu-ray. Here we go. There's Blu-ray. I don't have Blu-ray in there. Hit power. Boom. Done. What time is it? What does that say? 3:43. 2 Sonoses and 3 Logitech remotes. Packing up and going home to have dinner with the family. Bye.